a best text and email strategy has to be customer centric, which means the system you use should group the customer and should do consolidated messaging, should not do message per debt, it should do per debtor. The workflow should be smart enough to send messages at correct tones for quick payment promise and the various messages. The messaging, it should be a clear message, action-oriented message. It should have the customer portal link. The customer portal should be intelligent enough to adjust as per the message that it's going. And it should capture intelligent insights. When I say intelligent insights, some of the debtors, when they click the customer portal, when they go and make a payment, the payment is failing, or he's going to the payment screen but it's not initiating a payment. These insights we should gain in. What's going to happen is these insights, when it hits back to our debt collection system, we should use these insights. We can give a call to the customer because it tells us that he has the willingness to pay. He's going to the screen, he's going to the payment screen multiple times, but he's not making a payment. So there should be a real-time alert that should come back to the dialers. So the callers should call them, should speak to them because their willingness to pay, and that's the right time to make a call to them and to convert them. Human-centric, when I say human-centric, the workflow should not be blind. Let's say when I started a workflow, it's a 60 days workflow, but on the second message itself, the debtor has given a promise, but I still keep sending him the other messages. No, it will irritate him. If a person is giving a promise, you need to break the workflow, you need to take the promise route. If it fails, you need to restart the workflow. So the system should be flexible and it should be still simple to configure. So it should be human-centric and smart. It should be optimize. When you say optimize, as I said, the system should allow you to measure the success from various text and email strategies, and you should be able to optimize, iterate, measure. You should be able to continuously do it. Finally, but it's the most important one, you need to adhere to the complaints. You need to be careful with the opt-ins, opt-outs. When a customer does a replies, we are not replying to the message. Those things can haunt us. So we should be very careful with the compliance and the opt-ins, opt-outs and concerns.